If you're asking me if we really need tons of products to get a glowing skin, the simple answer is no. But again, it depends upon the skin concern. Like if you have any eczema or melasma, pimples, pimple marks, acne marks, and suntan, then you need to use the additional product that can resolve your problem. Otherwise, even if you have a matured skin like me, because I am about 30, also you don't require tons of products. You can get the glow by using minimal products. Simplest nighttime routine of me, but it's not like every day I'm following this one. I might not be use that snail museum every day, but because still I'm confusing that is suitable for me or not. Sometimes I'm getting fungal acne, but sometimes it is very helpful to calm down my irritations or redness, and it gives me like a good hydration. To be honest, I'm not a dermatologist or cosmetologist, but from my experience and also I'm a say skincare enthusiast. I'm talking about these things because the simple face wash or cleanser, you can use the double cleansing in the night time or morning in this simple face wash. Then if you want, you can use any toner, then otherwise you can skip that. Also use some good moisturizer. If you have a dry skin, then use some thick moisturizer, otherwise use a light moisturizer or a gel moisturizer and a good protection. Try to use some good mineral sunscreens instead of the chemical sunscreens. I'm a great fan of the physical sunscreens. I don't want to create any extra energy in my body, because the chemical sunscreen will definitely convert to accept the UV rays and convert into the thermal energy. So I don't need any energy or any reactions. I don't want to absorb that sunscreen ingredients into my bloodstreams, like oxybenzone, avobenzone. I don't need any unwanted toxins accumulated in my body. Yeah, that's it. And in the nighttime routine, you can use any of the toner if you want. I'm using the niacinamide toner because my skin is like more producing more sebum, so I need to control that. Now I'm using the deconstructor. I used in this video deconstruct 5% niacinamide and 1 or 2% kojic acid or alpha butane. I don't remember, but it's not up to the mark for me, because my skin is I told you, more producing more sebum, so I need more intense niacinamide like ordinary. I was used niacinamide for ordinary 10%. It was very helpful for me, but it might not be suitable for the other person or other skin. So start with a low percentage and listen your skin how it is reacting to any the products. Then you can find what is the solution, what is the best skincare routine for you. And also weekly I'm using the tretinoin, of course. Yeah, daily this much: face wash, moisturizer, sunscreen, or sometimes the toner in morning, evening niacinamide moisturizer, weekly tretinoin. sometimes, but sometimes I would like to experience the other things like snail mucin or aloe gel or some other products. Anyways, I hope you enjoy my video. If it is helpful, please comment below or let me know. Thank you all. Bye. Take care.